Feel like, okay, this is getting kind of hard. Stop, switch, go to the next thing. I want you guys to keep a conversation going, right? I want to be able to hear you talking your way down to the yield sign and back. Loosen up a little bit, warm up a little bit, enjoy the weather, right? Maybe not that much. So for the sandbag carry, just try to keep your knees loose, bent, and try to squeeze your butt, right? Imagine you're holding a piece of string between your butt cheeks and walk, instead of trying to walk you upright and lean back so you feel your back. Same with the farmer carry kind of. Have any of you ever carried a wheelbarrow? So let's do 1 or 2 more sets of just focusing on that exhale. Sharp, like a laser beam of air, right? Every time you exhale. Same thing, use the breathing we just did. Exhale, reach your toes away. Yeah. Try to really focus on feeling that.
Look at die Zehenspitzen.
Just straining. Feel how it's really, because the other way looks very easy. Squeeze the ball a little more. Yeah. So you feel it like lengthening. But then if you squeeze your butt, you'll help get more tension in your VMO. Right? Try it. Just try finding your VMO now, and then squeeze your butt as hard as you can and try feeling your VMO. Works better, right? Yeah. We all feel our VMOs a little bit? No, ready to do it again? So you're gonna inhale, step forward, keep the back knee off the ground, exhale, stand up, right? Just walking. Then we'll take, maybe grab. Hi, Jan. Grab a little heavier bag. I know that sounds kind of, yes. Because right now, you don't trust it, so you're going lighter, but you're trying to keep your back really straight. But you're actually making it worse for your back.
Every time I've been here warming up with a heavier bag, just walking around after just 100 meters, I'm just walking like this.
Yep. We're gonna adjust your positioning. So I don't know if you need to lunge. Yeah, okay. I'll catch you in a minute.
Ein Träumchen.
Squeeze your butt. Feel it now? Not lower back? Yeah? Good. Okay, so keep doing that feeling. Try to really make it work. Kickflip. Having some problems?
Yes, if I do
Yeah,
that,
you
like
feel
I
your
just
back a
feel
lot.
it in the back.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
I need to make
Okay.
that.
Yeah, we'll try with that. And then, are you on the lunges again?
Yeah.
Okay, so when you come back, shout at me,
Yeah.
and I'll help you with the
Yeah,
demo.
fine.
Second round, guys. No, it's okay. You're just making the movement through your butt. And then relaxing. Just do the work. Turn in. Yeah.
Like in here.
No, like put pressure here. And just little pulses. Squeeze. Yeah, that's it. Feel it?
Yes.
And just go until you literally can't make it. Do another rep. Squeeze your butt.
But it's okay that I also feel it in here.
Yeah. I mean, it's not ideal, but So focus, feel how when you're coming up, you're shifting to the outside. Keep the tension on the inside of the foot. Kind of similar to the Dimmel deadlift we just did. We want to keep the knees soft. We want to focus on making the movement from the butt first. So you're going to inhale, reach down. Feel your butt and your hamstring. If you feel your back, then you're probably going too low or thinking about pulling your shoulders up. I want you to think about driving 2 holes into the box at a time, right? Like you're trying to turn the box into the floor. So you're pushing down, initiating the movement with the legs rather than initiating it by extending your back up, okay? Inhale, exhale. I want you to do that exaggerated breathing because it forces you to engage your diaphragm. Inhale down, exhale, push up. He's really pushing down, squeezing his butt through at the top. Keep your arms straight. Arms stay straight. We're focusing on the hinge component, right? So you're not pulling, just squeezing your ass, coming up. Driving down into the box. Stand a little wider and try to really stand in the middle of the box so that you're not worried about tipping the box and falling off. Right? Driving down into the box, initiating the movement from the hips. And the line. It is a long way. It is a long way. Try to get your Terry Sapphire as well. The straight arm with the kettlebell down below. Don't let it touch your side, right? So I don't want you to do this. Carry it like that. Try to keep your hip away. Imagine, did we ever play Operation as a kid? You know, the like doctor game where if you touch the side, it goes eh. So every time your arm touches your side, eh. So walk like you're walking in a building with a really low ceiling. You don't want your head to hit the ceiling. So don't start to walk upright and kind of look back to one side. Try to bring the elbow in a little bit and turn your wrist. Yeah. I know. Bring your elbow in.
Dann bleibe ich einfach ganz leichtes Gewicht.
Try to bring your hand. Inhale, exhale.
Ladies, ik wil euch.
Dus gewoon met je adem, met je uitademen. Denk je aan niks bij. Druk, druk.
I'm just talking bullshit.
Right, I want you guys to try to find the same feeling as you just did inside. I don't want you to go as heavy as possible necessarily, or at least not for your first set or two. I want you to feel that same feeling that you felt when the person was pulling the ball out of your hands, right? Feeling the whole chest kind of working. And then in terms of how you're pressing, squeezing into your object. If you get very like, if you're reaching way beyond where you can breathe, then you're losing tension, right? So your shoulder is up by your ear and then you go, and then find tension. Your biceps are gonna blow up first. Okay? Try to go short, fast, almost like your hands are a little hamster wheel, right? Focus more on pulling your elbows into your hips than really pulling with your biceps and kind of, you know how one arm you're always like, huh.
Ja, das ist doch selber schon Crank. Mach die nochmal an für das Nachrichtszeit, ja? Ja, komm. So fast. Und dann jetzt an der Seite. Und jetzt schön reindrücken. Jawohl.
Try to, so hold it on the sides and squeeze it. Don't put your palm under it, squeeze it. Squeeze it. Yeah, squeeze the shit out of it. Between here. Yeah. No. Squeeze it. Yeah. Inhale, exhale.
Andersrum greifen. Genau. Und dann versuch mal deine Hüfte, dein Popo und nein, aber versuch die mal, nee. Deine Popo mehr unter deinen rechten Winkel. Mehr, genau, wie als würdest du Stufenbettlagerung machen. Ja, so, dahin. Dann ist wichtig, dass du drückst, Sabine, Außenseite, das gleiche wie wir das gerade da mit dem Medizinball gemacht haben. Druck auf die Außenseite und jetzt, Lisa stellt sich hin, gerade hin stellt sich hin. Noch nicht genau. Und jetzt muss Sabine sich mit hochziehen. Sabine muss jetzt